Good afternoon mga kabubok. Nandito na lang tayo sa ating daily vlog. Ibabalik na po namin ang aming mga uniform.
Kasi papalitan ng bago.
Yan o. Oh. Balik-balik na. Yee! Si Uncle Lu, kukunin niya na ang kanyang uniforme. Yan o.
Kasi papalitan ng bago.
Oo, papalitan ng bago. Punta tayo sa kwarto ni Uncle Mario sa kanya Uncle Mark. Mga kawupop. Kasi saan sila? Pasok. Uy! Ba't may helmet ka? Ayun si Uncle. Oy, si Uncle.
Tignan mo naman dala ko.
Mga uniforme namin.
Basurahan.
Mag-outing pala kami, mag-outing. Oh, ha?
Ay, ganda na din yan.
Oh, ha? Oy, ano yan? Baka tao laban yan, ha? Makulong tayo dito. Ayun, balikan ng uniforme kasi papalitan doon ng uniforme bago gawa sa bakal. Mga kawupop. Oh! Wait, oh, my friend. This is my friend, Henry. We're going to outing. We're going to outing. Outing? Swimming pool?
Outing, yeah.
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 What did you brought? Uniform? Oh,
Outing, yeah.
it's complete?
Yeah, very complete.
They very
Even this
complete.
one is here.
Yeah, the helmet. Can you borrow that? Like this. I put in my head like that. Let's go. Let's go, Henry.
We go.
We go to the Romario rooms because we're going back to our uniform. And this is my friend. What? You? Are you Palas?
How are you?
Yes. Now we're going. This is my friend Henry from Uganda.
From Uganda.
Yeah. Uganda, Wakanda. Wakanda forever. Yeah. It's my friend, oh. Mia.
Yeah.
Okay, now, I don't know what happened with us. We've been separated in a long journey. Look, we brought our all uniforms. So it means change. Maybe we will change uniform. Maybe it will be changed our uniform. Yeah. Looks the other guy. There, the other guy. So we're here in the room of our. What is the position of Romario?
Bartender.
Bartender. Bartender. He's still here? We didn't saw him. No, we didn't saw him. Is he here? Really? Maybe he's going out. Oh, Mia. He's my friend Mia. And this is my friend Romario. We're going to uniform.
Hello.
What's up? Yeah.
So our listener is our supervisor done.
Supervisor, construction worker, everything I am. Yeah. Yeah. I have extra best, 4,000 best.
Don't have this.
What's your name?